I am Ashutosh Soni from Vibrant School, Sumerpur. I have secured 99% in RPSC board examination 2025. I want to give thanks to Vibrant Group of Institutions. They provide best faculty with very highly experienced. There were IITians, NITians who clears our doubt very nice. They provide digital board, well equipped laboratory facility. Apart from academics, there are multiple co-curricular activities like singing, dancing, etc. And they constantly supporting student. Anyone who wants to want to join a new school, they definitely visit Vibrant School. It would be their best decision. Thank you.